Last week, a homeowner discovered water seeping into their basement after heavy rain. Not flooding, just moisture, dampness spreading across the concrete. The homeowner called a professional water damage restoration company. The company sent a technician with moisture meters and thermal imaging. They documented the damage. They provided an estimate. $1,500 to professionally remediate the moisture. $1,500. The homeowner declined. Instead, they asked a question. Can I fix this myself? The answer is yes. And there are 4 methods to try an order. Try method 1 first. It costs $0. If that does not work, try method 2. It costs $20. Still not working? Method 3 costs $100. If nothing else works, method 4 costs $150 and works 99% of the time. Only if all 4 methods fail do you actually need a contractor. But spoiler alert, all 4 combined cost less than the contractor's estimate. Here is the complete guide to drying water damage yourself. Welcome to Fixvival. Subscribe and hit the bell. If you own a home with a basement, attic, crawl space, or any area that gets wet, this video will save you thousands of dollars. Method number 1. $0 Vinegar Air Dry. Cost free. Success 70%. Time 3 to 7 days. Start here. This is the cheapest method. It works on surface moisture, water that has not deeply penetrated walls or floors. If your basement got wet from a recent leak or heavy rain, method 1 often solves the problem completely. The science is straightforward. Vinegar is acidic and evaporates quickly. When you spray vinegar on wet surfaces, it absorbs into the moisture. As vinegar evaporates, it pulls water with it. Vinegar is also antimicrobial. It kills mold spores before they colonize the wet surface. Quick guide. 1. Spray straight white vinegar on wet surfaces with heavy coverage. 2. Open all windows and doors for ventilation. 3. Place a box fan pointing outward for 3 to 7 days. 4. Check daily. Surfaces should feel progressively drier. 5. After 7 days, if completely dry, method 1 succeeded. Cost $0. Time 7 days. Success 70% of moisture problems. If your basement still feels damp after 7 days, the moisture has penetrated deeper than surface level. Escalate to method 2. Method number 2. $20 Dehumidifier Rental. Cost $20 per day. Success 85%. Time 10 to 14 days. If method 1 did not completely dry your basement, the moisture has soaked into materials. Method 2 uses mechanical dehumidification to extract moisture from deeper sources. A dehumidifier removes humidity from the air using refrigeration. Cold coils condense water vapor into liquid that collects in a tank. Rent a portable dehumidifier from any hardware store for $20 per day. Place it in the affected room with windows closed. The dehumidifier runs continuously, pulling moisture from the air and materials. As the dehumidifier extracts moisture, it creates a dry microenvironment. Moisture from walls and floors migrates toward this dry air and evaporates. Quick guide. 1. Rent portable. Dehumidifier from hardware store, $20 a day. 2. Place in center of affected room. 3. Close windows. Dehumidifier works best in sealed spaces. 4. Empty water collection tank daily. 5. Run continuously for 10 to 14 days. And check moisture daily. Should progressively improve. Cost $200 for 2 weeks. Time 10-14 days. Success 85% of remaining problems. Dehumidifiers excel at extracting moisture that vinegar and air circulation cannot reach. If after 14 days your space is completely dry, method 2 succeeded. If still damp, escalate to method 3. Method 3. On $100 commercial Desiccant Packs. Cost $50 to $100. Success 95%. Time 7 to 10 days. If methods 1 and 2 do not completely resolve the problem, use commercial Desiccant Packs. Desiccants are materials that absorb moisture directly from air and materials. Professional water restoration companies use Desiccant Packs extensively because they work in stubborn, deeply saturated scenarios. Desiccant Packs use materials like silica gel, calcium chloride, or molecular sieves to absorb moisture. These materials have molecular structures with millions of tiny pores. Each pore traps water molecules. As moisture migrates through air and materials toward these pores, the packs gradually absorb all available moisture. The result is rapid, thorough drying, even in cases where dehumidifiers alone are insufficient. Quick guide. 1. Buy commercial Desiccant Packs, calcium chloride or silica for $50 to $100. 2. Place packs throughout affected area, corners, walls, and floor. 3. Maintain ventilation with windows open and fans running. 4. Replace packs when saturated. They'll change color or feel wet. 5. Run for 7 to 10 days. 6. Cost is lower than dehumidifier rentals for extended periods. Cost $50 to $100. Time 7 to 10 days. Success 95% of remaining problems. At this point, if your space is still not dry, the situation involves structural damage or ongoing water infiltration. Escalate to method 4, the professional grade solution. Method number 4, $150 professional grade moisture kit. Cost $100 to $150. Success 99%. Time 5 to 7 days. If you have made it this far, use method 4, a combination approach that matches professional restoration results. Professional companies use 4 tactics simultaneously: mechanical dehumidification, desiccant absorption, heat application, and circulation. By combining all 4, you achieve what contractors charge $1,500 to accomplish. Professional grade kits package everything needed: a commercial strength dehumidifier and industrial desiccant packs. Add a heat source like industrial heaters and high volume fans for air circulation. Using all 4 together accelerates drying to professional speed. Quick guide. 1. Rent a large capacity dehumidifier and buy commercial desiccant packs for about $150 total. 2. Add multiple space heaters to warm the air. Heat accelerates evaporation significantly. 3. Position multiple fans for maximum air circulation. 4. Seal the room by closing all doors and windows to create a controlled environment. 5. Run all equipment continuously for 5 to 7 days. 6. Check daily. This method solves nearly all moisture problems. Cost $150. Time 5 to 7 days. Success 99% of all moisture problems. At this level, you have spent approximately $150 and achieved results equivalent to professional restoration. If, after attempting all 4 methods, your space is still not dry, one of 2 situations is happening: structural damage or ongoing water infiltration. Structural damage means water has caused rot in wood, decay in concrete, or damage to the building's support systems. This requires professional assessment and repair, not drying. Ongoing infiltration means new water continues seeping in faster than you can dry it. This requires professional waterproofing solutions, not moisture removal techniques. Signs of structural damage: soft or spongy wood, crumbling concrete, or persistent musty smell. Visible mold growth on structural elements, or water returning after drying. Signs of ongoing infiltration: water pooling during rain, or cracks actively leaking. Only in these cases should you hire a professional. And if you do, you can now negotiate with knowledge. You know what drying costs when done correctly: approximately $150 in materials. Any professional quote above $500 for pure moisture removal is markup. Professional waterproofing or structural repair is legitimate cost. But drying alone is not. You walked in knowing nothing. You now understand that water damage, drying, is a 4-step process. It is not a black box requiring contractors. You can remove 99% of moisture problems yourself for less than $200. The restoration industry builds its business on making homeowners believe drying requires expensive equipment and professional expertise. It does not. It requires understanding water, evaporation, and desiccation, knowledge that should be free. If this vault changed how you look at water damage in your home, subscribe and share this now. Every share is one more homeowner who saves $1,000 on unnecessary contractor work. Every subscription keeps this channel digging into what the restoration industry buried for decades. The next vault opens soon, and what is inside is the one mistake every homeowner makes when drying water damage that turns temporary problems into permanent mold infestations. The vault is open. Share it before they notice.